Hello sunshines and welcome to my channel. My name is Katia. I'm health and wellness coach for millennial working women. In this video, I'm going to share 6 tips and tricks how you can build your confidence. So if you're interested what I'm about to share, make sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to turn the notification bell. Alright, let's dive in. First tip is look good, feel good. Basically, even if you are at home and you're not planning to leave the house, make sure you wake up, you dress up, you put your makeup on, you get your hair done. It has been proven that self-care does make an impact on your well-being, especially on your self-love and self-esteem. It's understandable if you're working somewhere where you have to wake up and get ready, but if you are working at home and not necessarily need to get ready,
I highly suggest to do so.
Because you will feel more productive, more confident, and overall, you're just gonna feel good about yourself. Some days when I wake up and I sit in a PJ with the bun in front of computer and doing the work, I don't feel really good about myself. I'm just kind of doing okay job. And days when I actually wake up and do my makeup, like I did this makeup 8 hours ago. I woke up this morning, I knew maybe I will film, maybe I'm not. So I decided to do my hair and my makeup. Typically, I wouldn't do red lipstick if I stayed home, obviously, but I do love to put some foundation, some balm, just get my hair nicely done, and just be ready.
You never know what can possibly happen.
Maybe you'll get invited somewhere, or maybe you want to jump on live or take a quick selfie. Give it a try. Put yourself together every time. You don't have to leave a house, and you will see the difference. My second tip. Look for networking opportunities. You can build your confidence by going and looking for connections and discovering new people, new possibilities, and just sharing new ideas. Once I began going to different events around business, around wellness and health, where I wasn't even expert there yet. I was just a beginner, but I was so curious. I obtained so many friends. I made effort to actually connect with people. You grow as a person by learning new things. My tip number 3, admit first, figure out after.
Or basically jump over your head.
I'm pretty sure so many things in this life you really want to do, but you're not so confident that you will be successful. Well, I encourage you to commit first and figure out after. I'm gonna give you my latest example. I was so shy on Instagram Live about 6 months ago. I could have pre-recorded the video on YouTube, but I was extremely shy go live. I couldn't force myself to commit doing that. And I understood it's very important for my business to show my personality. So what I did, I would post story in the morning saying that at 12 o'clock, I will be going Instagram Live. Well, I already committed. So it's kind of
weird if I'm not gonna show up then.
And my first video lives were extremely awkward. But guess what? I've done maybe total 10 to 12. I feel so much more confident and excited to do those things. Whatever you're trying to do, maybe it's applying for a new job. Maybe it is inviting somebody who you've been liking for a while on a date. Commit to it. Decide that you're going to do, because once you commit it, you will find a way to figure things out. My tip number 4, your body posture. I'm sure you've heard a lot that it's very important to keep your shoulders back once you walk in a room. Well, it is true. What I encourage you to do, every time you're nervous about something, take 3 deep breaths, count until 5, put your shoulders back, put your chin up, and walk into the room. If you are not so confident and don't really believe that you are confident, your body posture will tell otherwise, and perhaps people will begin to treat you differently. As Tony Robbins said, always remember that your body posture says so much more than your language. Sometimes you don't have to say a single thing.
But if you just sit like this in a corner the room and you're not so sure what's going on, you keep looking around.
You're kind of feeling small, or when you're talking, you're closing yourself up, you can tell that you are not so confident. Using your hands to help you express your emotions, you will really show up as a confident person. And you don't have to say much, just make sure you're a good listener. Acknowledge and validate another person. And here I'm gonna give you a couple tips. When someone says something, acknowledging and validating means, so what you're saying is, da da da, no wonder you feel that way. Or, in other words, repeat what other person said. Oh, it's understandable that you didn't like that. They will love the way you're listening. So, just a little tip before we move on. Nutrition and physical activity play a crucial role in one person's confidence. Some of you might be thinking, oh no, I'll be confident once I lose 20 pounds. Oh no, I'll be confident once I lose 10 pounds. That is not true. Once you begin to work out, even if you lose 2 pounds, or you change your body composition, or you had a good week of eating, you automatically go on the next level. You get so much more satisfaction from this small accomplishment where you realize that there is no need to set bars so high in order to feel confident. In the winter, I was 140 pounds. I gained all the weight from competition. And I was a little bit discouraged that this happened and I didn't feel so confident in my body. I decided, okay, I'm gonna feel confident once I lose 10 pounds.
Well, I knew that is not gonna work that way.
But I wanted to try. So I lost 2 pounds. For 2 months, I lost 2 pounds. It's okay. I feel so confident because I know I changed 2 sizes, 2 pounds, 2 sizes. Yes, because I changed my body composition. I've been eating so good past week. So again, I feel more confident about myself. Food and exercise definitely affecting your hormones and as a result, your mood and level of confidence. So try to stick to healthy eating at least 80 to 90% of the time with some fun foods and exercise activity. My last tip here, which helped me to build my confidence to a new level, is invest in yourself. When I say invest in yourself, I don't mean necessarily material things. Of course, it could be, but what I'm saying here, investing in yourself, such as buying a course, going to some sort of mastermind or some event, maybe purchasing a book, or getting more qualified by doing needed courses for your current role. Sometimes we just need a little push and a little bit more out of this life. It happened to me so many times. Every year I would be getting stuck and feeling like I am not progressing. I need to do something else. I need to do something else. And first I began with personal training certification. After that, I decided to do fitness nutrition. After that, I move on to behavior change. And again, I felt stuck. I bought different books, went to Tony Robbins event, I went to Grant Cardone events. I continued to grow my mindset. And my last thing which I invested my money into was my life coaching school. And as of right now, it's my life coach. So I definitely think that investing in yourself and stepping up your game will completely change level of your confidence. In this video, I shared my 6 tips. I didn't went super deep into them. Let me know if you would like me cover a particular topic or particular tip where I can talk a little bit more in the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you in my next one.